Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Force Abundance, Minnesota. And well, obviously I'm in Minnesota. And if you look outside, there's snow on the ground. So that means I am not outside planting fruit trees and berry bushes and everything else that goes into planting food forests and edible landscapes, and grape trellises, cucumber trellises, pea trellises, tomato trellises, everything you can imagine. I can't do it anymore. It's winter. It's getting closer to winter, and the ground is starting to freeze, so I cannot do my thing outside. So what I do during the winter, besides talking to people and designing food forests and edible landscapes, so in the springtime we can put food in the ground, I grow indoors. Okay, I use hydroponics, and I'm going to be getting into aquaponics soon. So I'm going to be having a big tub of fish and using the fish waste to grow my food. Other than that, I have my bucket system, a hydroponic. It's called a deep water culture system. And I have 3 tomatoes and 3 peppers growing. I have a black cherry pepper, a yellow pear, and Roma tomatoes. And then I have California Wonders, or Cal Wonders, which are basically bell peppers. I also have a what do I have growing? A black Hungarian and poblanos. And I'll turn you around and show you that in a second. And then I have I'll just turn you around and explain to what I'm doing here. All right, here we go. Here is my deep water culture bucket system. And if you can see what I'm doing here, okay, I am this area underneath my stairs. I'm putting in some, see how I have this foil paper? I'm lining everything in here. It's starting to come down because, let's see, all right. Basically, I'm going to be lining this whole area, and that's where my weed is going to be growing. As you can see, I have 5 bags laying on the ground. I have 5 plants that need to go in these bags. These are about 9 or 10 days old, and look how big they are already. Look at that. They're beautiful, aren't they? 2 of them are in their forever homes. Here, these are 5-gallon bags. And then I have some peppers, 3 different types of peppers I was growing outside this summer, and they are sprouting again and gonna give me more fruit. Just like the one on the bottom here. We got a nice little green pepper here. And then what we got on the other side? There's 2 or 3 different types of peppers in here also. And if you can see, they're all starting to fruit again. We have a, what's this called again? Whatever that mosquito shit is called. Oh, I can smell it. Citronella. That's a citronella plant that I bought in the beginning of the summer, and it was this tall, right where my finger is. And then at the end of summer, it was this tall. Since I put it under the grow lights, after it got too cold outside, you can see how much it has grown. Look at, see how dark green it is here? Light green up here. From here to here, it has grown, and just in the past 3 weeks, it has grown roughly about 8 or 9 inches. Here we got a banana tree, and then You got the main banana tree in the middle. And then you have a bunch of little pups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 pups besides this. And what I'm gonna do now, every time I take the pups away from the mother dies on me. So I am not gonna be taking the pups away anymore. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I need to put it in a bigger pot, obviously. So I have a bunch of soil coming, and I got these 5 bags here. I gotta get these. This is royal cheese. This one's purple queen, and this one's critical. So I got my cannabis. I'm gonna be putting in these bags here, and I already got 2 of them in. I ran out of soil yesterday. I thought I had a lot more in the garage, but those are going. Peppers, everything. Look at all these banana trees. These are all pups from the mother of this one. I had a banana tree outside this summer that was about 2 feet high, and these are all the pups. Those are pups. Yeah, this is a pup, and then you got 10 other pups, and then we got all these. I just moved them down here. They were up in my window upstairs, but they're gonna do much better under the grow lights. But those are bananas. I don't expect to get fruit out of them because we're in Minnesota, so I'm just growing them for fun. Maybe one day I'll get a banana if they get big enough. But who knows? They are dwarf Cavendish bananas is what I think these are called. And then over here, did I go over here already? For my bucket system, we got the yellow pear tomatoes. We got Roma tomatoes, and then we have the black cherry tomatoes. I don't know which is which. So, but those are the 3 tomatoes, and on the other side we have the peppers. Those are poblanos, Cal Wonders, and this one here is a black Hungarian peppers. Okay, and this pretty simple. You put your water and your nutrients in this bucket. Whoa! What happened there? That is crazy what happened. Wow, let me turn this off. That has never happened before. It must have came out. Let me see. That's exactly what happened. Wow, crazy. All right, so we just gotta put this back on. Oh, that sucked. Now I gotta clean up this mess, but there we go. All right, let's turn that back on. Kind of funny, right? So let's go here. Whoa. We're gonna have to put that on a little better, but anyway, it is what it is. Let's see, I got somebody calling me. I will be right back.